Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And in this video, I'm share with you and how to create a Gmail account. So no more talks, let's get a start. First of all, create account, click for myself, first name, last name, last name Furkan, next. Next. Username, password. Create a strong password with a maximum mix of letter and number and symbols. So okay. Add phone number account. If you like, you can add phone number to gate account security alert to reset your password if you forget it. So verification, if you take this number and take this phone number. So my phone number taken. Yes, I am. Okay, the email ID is completed.